Hey, we're gonna run down to Davidsonville this morning. We're gonna check up on the job site. We're revamping the lighting system, new transformers, a lot of new lamps for the fixtures. They got some, replace some old halogen lamps with some new LEDs, and then we're going to replace a lot of old rotary sprinkler heads. Get this system ready for the fall for the lights, and then the sprinkler, we'll have it ready for the fall growing season and the next spring into 2024. Come on, we're going down to this job now. We'll see you there. We're here in Davidsonville, and we are trying to figure out what we got going on with the transformer we're trying to replace. Come along, we're going to get to the bottom of this. So this is what we have here currently. And it has multiple taps on it. 11, 12, 13, then it gets a tap of 12, 13, 14, and 15. Two commons, I mean. So you got a 12, 13, 14, and 15 tap. Okay, and 3 different breakers on there. So do I. All right, let's find Julio. There he is. Julio, question. We was talking to a lady. She said that you needed another transformer.
Yeah, that one is 1,000. Is 1,200.
1,200.
Huh?
1,200?
Yes.
Yeah, but you don't need a 1,200 or more.
I need a 6.
Oh, you want to go with a 6?
6, yes.
Okay.
Yeah, that one is a 6. I put a 300.
Okay.
Yeah.
So with the 600, you're putting the 300 since you're running halogen now.
Yeah.
I mean LED.
LED.
Switching from halogen
Switch.
to LED.
Yeah.
Okay. So the 1,200 is what.
Switch for
Yeah.
6. Yes.
Okay. All right. So I couldn't figure that out.
Yes. I have
What-
one question. I see it's different this type. That one. All of these 15 volts. That one has 12, 13, and 15. There's no any problem.
Yeah, the one out front was 12, 13, 14, and 15.
Yes.
Right? 2 commons, 4 of that.
Yes.
4 different lugs, but 3 3 different circuits.
Yes. That was only 15. I don't know.
Yeah, 15's okay.
That's okay.
Yeah.
There's no order for this.
No.
No. Sometimes I use it when this is in the long distance. Use it the 15.
Yeah.
When this too close, use it 12.
Yeah. Yeah, and then sometimes what I'll do is if I run across to that, what I'll do is 12 volt, 2.5, 2.88, 2.8 amps, I mean, 8 volts, 15 volts. I think I drank too much coffee this morning. What do you think? Too much coffee? Huh? No, you should be okay.
It's okay? Okay.
Yeah.
Don't try the 600.
So you get a 600 lady? Okay, where are you going to get that at?
Like what is?
Where? Okay.
Yes.
How's the sprinkler work coming? Good?
Yeah, and yeah, I had to replace a couple heads. Yeah.
Okay, and then you put photo eyes back on here? Photo eyes?
Yes.
There was photo eye out front. Was this a photo eye too?
Yes.
For the old one?
Yes.
Yeah, there it is.
Yes.
Okay. So both of them will be back photo eye. Okay. So you got
Yes.
a bee's nest in there.
The business are
Were they in there this morning to greet you?
no,
No, they're
No.
gone.
going.
They probably went to Florida for the winter.
It's problem.
What do you think? Florida, Bill?
Yes,
Probably.
that's what bees do.
Go to Florida. Probably with the hummingbirds. They all took off together.
I saw a hummingbird the other day.
Yeah, it's got a little chilly for them.
Why?
Heading down south. I did see one other day too.
wasn't wearing a sweater.
Someone had one posted yesterday on, I think it was Facebook or Twitter, somewhere, and it was still around here. I was kind of surprised. Usually by now they're heading south. Back to Ecuador.
That's where they come from? I don't find that accurate at all.
No?
No.
You think I would tell you a fib?
Ecuadorian hummingbirds doesn't sound like a thing.
You think I would tell you a fib?
Yes.
I don't think so. So they left the other day, they left me a note and they said we're heading to Ecuador and I could get in touch with them down there. I don't know. They're pretty exclusive, you know.
No.
Alrighty. We're gonna head to the next job site. We'll see you guys soon. That wraps up another episode of Life of a Contractor. We'll talk to you soon. If you like this, like, subscribe, and we'll talk to you in the next episode. Talk to you soon.